So one of the things that the animals at Shepherd's Song Farm get to eat are squash. Over the past couple of years, one of my favorite parts, if not my favorite part of the squash, summer squash, pumpkin, all kinds of squash, they all have similar vines. I was walking through the garden one day and I saw these squash vines, and something inside me said, "Hey, Alan, that looks like a vegetable. That looks really good." And I mean, if you take a look at these things, they are like something from another dimension, like a Dr. Seuss vegetable. They're like a tiny garden wrapped up in a little vine, and you can cook them just like a little green vegetable. After I ate them, it completely changed how I think about squash. Ooh, here's a good one. Every little squash shoot is gonna be different. I love the natural little curls, curlicues, and don't miss the mini squash right there in the nook. But this guy, I'll probably trim that leaf off. And that looks pretty good. I like to leave the little curlicues on to make a great garnish. And the squash shoots, the one thing to really know about them is that they cook super, super fast. Put the squash shoots in the pan. Give them a little toss. And then I'm just gonna start plating, because by the time I plate, the squash shoots are gonna be done.